Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are seeing the modern wardrobe design ideas. So because whatever in the living room common space, wardrobe is one of the most important furniture in the room. Its use because of which must use best both ethically and functionally. To picking the right type of the wardrobe suitable of your space and surface the solution. When it comes to designing your ideal wardrobe, first one is type. The two types of wardrobes available currently are freestanding wardrobes in functions without external support and offer modality, and other option being to build wardrobes. In the case of built wardrobes, you can choose from variety of colors and designs. Wardrobes moreover are either carpenter made modular wardrobe makes up large part of your bedroom. It is essential to design well. Use are important as you store everything in the wardrobe. Wardrobes in bedroom usually have multiple purposes of using space effectively. Make sure you use space in the bedroom effectively to build the wardrobes. Use the space ineffectively inside the wardrobe with just enough shelves. This is wooden wardrobe design for the bedroom. Well, remind of your famous house in this design very simple, almost traditional. There are two wooden doors. Each wardrobe evergreen of the front ending ensuring your clothes are never damp and always stay clean. They have yellow lights above the doors to illumination inside the cupboard. In these cabinets above are almost made of wood, and the flooring is also light wooden flooring. This wall wardrobe design for bedroom is perfect for larger room. They have used to high reflective white material for the doors and brown wooden handles. The dressing unit and cabinets have a wooden texture matching and natural color schemes. And they also have a dressing unit and cabinets. The white tiles and flooring also completely white wardrobe. Wardrobe taking up the most space in bedroom. It is important to design or purchase something that is highly functional but also added to the room aesthetic. Before buying or designing the wardrobe, one of the most important factor on the decides wardrobe design is the size and layout of the room. This will determine how big wardrobe, where you will place. It will also decide to the whatever the room. You can have walk in the inches of the stand. Alone wardrobe. You should also have a basic idea of the materials used in your bedrooms. For efficient design, what kind of storage you are required. This will help you choose. While choosing the colors, look for the samples provided by the designers. Play around with many color combinations instead of the single color or double color. There are many designs that you could while designing the door. If you don't have enough the space to open doors of your wardrobe, you could for sliding doors, you could choose the smaller or larger doors depending upon the space you are in your room. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share it. Thank you.